In this quick Instagram tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a collaboration after posting your photo on Instagram. So if you've posted a photo and you have to add a collaboration, but you don't want to delete your post, then follow my steps. We're going to open our Instagram application and we will go over to our Instagram profile. I forgot to mention one thing. Make sure that you go over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure that the Instagram application is fully updated. So when your app is updated and you open your Instagram profile, find a post on which you want to add a collaboration and then open it. I've opened the post, and let's say I want to add a collaboration on this specific Instagram post. I have to tap on the three dots at the top right of our photo, and this menu will pop up over your screen. There are two ways of doing this. You're going to see this Partnership Label and Ads button and simply click on it. But if you don't have this button, then tap on this Edit button and that will open our photo editor. Go to the top of the photo and you should see the button called Add Paid Partnership Label that's just above your photo location. You want to click on this button and you'll get to this page. But if you don't see either of the two buttons, then don't worry. I'm going to show you how to fix that in a couple of seconds. If you have this button and you got to this page, make sure that this Add Paid Partnership Label button is enabled or turned on, and one more option will show up where you can add your collaborators on the post. But if you don't have this button, you want to go over to your Instagram profile, then tap on the three lines, and then open the settings. When you get to the Instagram settings page, find the Help button and tap it. We will then click on this Report a Problem button that's on the top of our screen. Report a problem without shaking. And click on this Don't Include and Continue. We're going to get to this page where we have a little text box where we can explain what our problem is. You can write to the Instagram team in here and kindly ask them to resolve your problem. You can write that you cannot add a collaboration to your Instagram post after posting it. Explain to them that you don't want to delete your post and repost it, and so on. You can write something similar to what I am writing right here, and you can also take a screenshot of the Edit Post page in order to show them that you don't have the Paid Partnership button. So explain the problem and kindly ask them to resolve your issue and send the report. They should respond to you within a day or a couple of days, and hopefully they will resolve your issue. And that's how we can add a collaboration on Instagram after posting our photo. Just find the two buttons which I've showed you and add your collaborators. If you don't have the buttons, report a problem to the Instagram team. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.